Hey guys, good morning. You hear all that noise? Those are the peacocks.
Peacocks.
They are so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys a quick snippet video of them. But we are out and we're going horseback riding this morning, Juggling the Johnson style.
Peace, peace, juggler.
He ran out of words, y'all. Don't worry about it. We'll see you in a minute.
Juggling the Johnsons. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, guys, so we ran out of butter. And I'm scraping the inside of it. And here are our croissants. What are we making? Like some type of egg souffle. Eggs here. I don't know if we're going to have enough butter for the eggs, though. This is what we have going. It might work. Make it work, Leonard.
We're gonna try. So if you watch, we can.
Yeah. I'll take some egg for the wash.
I don't think you need a lot on top of those. It's a wash. It's not a shower.
You said it's a wash, not a shower. Leonard made a delicious breakfast. This is how you save money but still eat in style. Everything looks amazing. I can't wait to dig into this. No meat involved. Just a yummy, yummy breakfast. Breakfast potatoes. Eggs. So we made, somebody burned it. And this is Leonard's bun. Somehow he burned it, but we're still gonna eat it. Not perfect.
I'm not one.
This guy's just hanging out.
Oh my God.
So pretty. Hey. Oh.
It's great, really. I mean, they had great pulling power, and the one I rode, which is $10,000.
Put him in the tomb, and then he would sacrifice himself, so nobody would know where the tomb is. This is also the third wettest place in the United States back here. So, but we'll go ahead and get off our horses. He's off his already. I'll put mine up, and we'll get some pictures started here.
We are at the top of our horse ride. It's so beautiful up here. It feels amazing. It's cool. The breezes are great. And I finally got my horse Cowboy to cooperate with me. I think he had enough food.
So her horse is very, very hungry.
Look at him. Look at my baby.
We've made these jokes.
Oh, baby. Can you see his head? Come here,
I think
Cowboy.
so. I think you're good. You're
Lift
good.
up, Cowboy.
So that's Cowboy over there. Point to Cowboy.
This is Cowboy.
And this right here is Avatar, and Avatar is great. But yeah, we're making all types of jokes because every time we stop, her horse keeps eating and wanting to chill in the shade, and that sounds so much like her
That's
on
my
vacation.
personality. I like to chill. I like to eat good food and catch a breeze.
And so my horse is sort of like an expert.
Swing around the back, and you'll step on down. All right? Take your time. Got it? Perfect.
I know I can't walk.
And there's cold drinks in the cooler. Help yourself.
Okay, all right, thanks. Hey guys. Nice job, guys. I've been beat up. You want to see my leg? Can you see it? Okay, so I have a crazy tan. I don't know if it's going to show well. Are you close enough to see it? Okay, ready?
Yes, so let's see the big reveal. Oh my God, and that's just from the horse ride.
That's from the horse ride. Dark.
So you guys can only imagine what the cameraman looks like.
Look at my leg, and it's not the whole thing either. It's just from here to here because that was what was in the sun. And then down here is lighter, but it's still darker, but this is like the lightest part of it. And it's the same thing over here on this side. Like, just crazy. I'm gonna pull my pants leg down. Subscribe.
Come on.
All right, guys, so we are in the mountains, and Miss Bailey decided to get over in the water. I'm not getting over in there. I'm good. Naisha. So she's on the other side. I decided not to go in that. Oh, I missed him. I didn't know somebody else was doing. You survived.
I did. I think the moss is very slippery.
It is very, very slippery.
You want to go in?
Man. I just need somebody jumping in. Don't be, you guys.
Sending. One more clear, please.
Clear, zip, zip, zip.
Yep, you're good. Okay, grab that yellow.
I got that yellow.
Yep, you're good.
All right, Leonard.
Have fun. Take off. Ankle. Plug. Off. Ankle. Turn around. So, how far? What do you think so far?
It's been amazing.
It's been amazing.
I think we're on our last zip.
Is this the last one? We got a couple more. Couple more.
Let's get you a little closer.
Get me a little bit closer.
Yeah, watch your head.
I'm watching my head.
Get you connected here.
Am I connected there?
Wait for a radio call here.
Guys, I'm scared. Ziplining. Okay, wait a minute. Let me put my gloves back on.
All right, we're clear. Send it.
Clear.
You're good.
Should I hold on to both of these?
Just the yellow. Just the yellow. Yeah, there you go.
All right, bye guys. Woo!
It's not coming. Here we go. Put on the box, grab the cable. How you doing?
Hold on.
There we go. Grab up there. How was that one?
That was great.
Drop something?
No,
Oh, it sounded like something.
no, that was this.
Maybe that was the break.
That was my break. It scared me.
Oh, right over here to the bouncy bridge.
All right, I'm
Go.
heading over to the bouncy bridge.
All right, we're clear.
I'm coming. Darn!
Get them to twist it.
Oh, I got myself really good.
And don't pass the zip line.
Okay.
Right side. There you go.
The right side. Hey, Leonard.
Hey,
Hey, guys. I just had a blast on my zip line.
a blast.
A blast. I was spinning and turning.
So, did you enjoy that one?
I did. It wasn't as scary as I thought. It's a ball of fun. Can you see the bridge behind us?
No,
A little bit?
no,
Let me move over.
not really.
Keep going.
Not walking on this bridge.
It's just on the tree and the tree's blowing in the wind. Okay, don't talk about it.
I'm making my way across. I'm making my way downtown.
Well, you got a lot more confidence now, girl.
I do.
Yeah, she got one good jump.
I had a good jump.
Did you guys get briefings yet?
Nope.
All right. Have you already seen this before? Very simple. Basic control.
Tour, so that is parking brake. Release parking brake. You want to actually engage the parking brake. Hear about these things.
All right.
That's a foot brake.
Are you guys all ready? All right.
Pauli Beach. Hey jugglers, I'm all dialed up. Me and Bay.
Hey! Let's hit this beach though. Let's hit this beachfront
We're going to the beachfront.
with the locals.
With the locals. You know we don't like to stay on the resort. So we like to go out with the locals and party with them. Cause you know, on the resort they just give you everything that just looks pretty, but I like to go behind the scenes.
Too perfect.
Too perfect. I want to go to
Too perfect.
Take me to the hood.
Please.
I want to see the hood.
You can't tell me the hood's not in Hawaii. I done seen some hood folks in Hawaii.
I've seen the hood in Hawaii. But anyway, every time we go to a different state or a different trip, we always head to the hood because that's just what we like to do, you know. And see people and chat and hang out occasionally, just for a little bit. Not too long. Just a little bit. Hang out with the locals.
County brownie.
I'm a county brownie. I can't be, oh yeah, I got eyelashes hanging out everywhere. I can't be going too deep into the hood and staying too long, but I do like to visit.
Just so we all on the same page. We want to know where the working folks live. The people like us, the everyday folks.
Yeah, the hood is all good in the
What
hood.
are they doing? You
What
know?
are they doing? I don't want to be
Show
on.
us that.
Yeah, show me that. I don't want to sit on the resort and just see all this blissfulness because I know that's not the way of the world. So, yeah, that's where we're heading right now to hang out with
And
some
hopefully
locals.
we'll meet some cool people and learn more about this island. It has been wonderful so far learning what, like people who've been here, like the native, I would say Polynesian folks.
Yeah.
Those stories have been phenomenal.
Yeah.
And they're like the loveliest people.
Very kind.
It's the other people that, you know, migrated over to this town we won't talk about.
I feel like an island girl. I'm fitting right in. So.
I'm definitely feeling like an island guy. I'm from here. As
You
a matter
know-
of fact, I'm not really from around here. I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica.
I just ended up on this island, you know.
Mm-hmm. You know, don't you know? Don't you know? Okay, guys, we're going to show you when we get there some of the things we're going to be getting into tonight. See you soon.
And the stores.
upset. We've literally been flying all day. We missed 2 flights. Look at my hair. I have to show y'all that because everything's not always pretty. But we are finally on our flight back to St. Louis. We're in Dallas now, and we were in LA this morning, just waiting and waiting. Missed 2 flights. Just happened. So we're eager to get back home to our kids, and we will